All right, so this is the beginning of week 2 of trading of 2026. And in this video, I want to break down my market overview for the week and seeing where we would go this week and how price is going to go, where I believe price is going to go, the news that we have, and everything. So before I get started in this video, this is going to be another week of patience. Patience, sticking to your strategy, disciplined and consistent. Being disciplined to stick to your strategy, not acting impulsive, being patient to wait on your setup to actually form, and also consistency to show up every single day to the markets and making sure that we are executing to the best of our ability. So let's get into it. We are looking at gold because that is what I'm trading. Later I'll add NQ into the mix. Just because I've traded NQ in the past. I just want to gather a little bit more data on NQ for this month. So I mean for this year. So I won't be trading it on here or on my lives or on my eval. I might trade on my evals. Yet I just want to get more data on NQ because NQ has been having some nice price action as well. But this is gold, and this is gold on the daily. So let's get into this breakdown. Gold has been rallying up all 2025 on the daily. Kind of slowed down, got a little resistance. We recently had broke through those all-time highs back in December. So now we had a pullback in the 29th right before the end of the year, and now we are looking like we are targeting back those all-time highs here. So we're looking like we want to target these all-time highs again around that 45.66, around that 70-ish area. And so we've this last week we've had a nice push up starting on the 5th of Monday. Had a little resistance, a little consolidate, little range. You look back on the 4 hour, we had a nice little range here. Took some sellers out. Struck through some liquidity, and now we're starting to close above this resistance area here. So if I delete this and we put this new resistance here, you can see that we have closed above this resistance. We actually broke retest probably on a lower time frame, and now we're continuing to push higher. So now that we close on the 4 hour above this key area, this is a key area because it's on a higher time frame. We take a look at the daily, it has closed above there as well. So that is a strong indication that price wants to continue to move higher. We have to be patient to wait for our setup on the lower time frames to execute in that direction. How is price going to move there? We don't know. We just have to make sure that we are ready to execute when the opportunity presents itself. So on the 4 hour, we close above after breaking through that high. On the 1 hour, we had that retest that I was telling you about with that wick on that 4 hour. This wick right here on this 4 hour, this doji, this indecisiveness. So this probably got a lot of buyers in after breaking through, but what we need to do is wait for a closure. And so we have that closure now. On the 1 hour, it broke retest, and now we are looking to possibly move higher. And we take a look at the 30-minute, this will be our range that we're working with now. So here and here. So we need a closure somewhere. We possibly can trap price here. So this right here will be a no trade zone for me. And so I don't want to go a little bit lower. I just wanted to make a quick video to where I believe price is going to go. But if you take a look at the 1 hour and the 4 hour and the daily, it looks like price wants to continue higher. And so take out these all-time highs. And I have a strong confirmation that we will. We just have to be patient because we do have CPI coming out on January 13th, which is Tuesday. So we might range in this area. We might range here in this area today and tomorrow until CPI comes out. Might have a little consolidation. This is what I say we might range in this area. We might range somewhat in this area right here, where we just have a little range kind of like here, and then CPI might strike these lows and then continue higher. That is what I'm saying. We have to be patient, but there might be some plays that come up where we can execute on those plays. We just have to follow the 4 hour. 4 hour is my directional bias. So wherever the 4 hour closes, whether it's bullish, whether it is bearish, that is my direction, and that is where I am looking to execute. Overall, I am bullish and expect price this week to target these highs here, but I am also open to buys and sell in the intraday trading, because just like we expect price to push here after breaking through these highs on this after breaking through these highs, we still had opportunity probably on the 1 hour to execute on some of these sales or these buys as well. So overall, price is expected to go to 45.70-ish, 80-ish. I say 45.80. And yeah, so that is my overall direction for the week. We do have CPI. So after CPI, that's going to give us a nice volume, and we should be able to execute. So this is going to be a great week of continuing to show discipline, to continue to show patience, and also staying true to the plan, to the trading plan. And so this is yeah, this is my overall directional bias, and let's have a great week. It's gonna be a week that we really execute. Last week was defense. This week is possibly offense. And when we're playing offense, we have to play offense. We have to go in, we have to do what is necessary, and we can't second guess ourselves, or we can't act emotionally. We just have to execute. So we have to let the market convince us to get in, and we have to be patient. So let's have a great week. Always stay disciplined, stay consistent, and stay patient.